All right, we got our cable tray in. We built all these stands here, as you see, and mounted this tray. It's a 4-foot wide tray. And got a T that transitions to a 30-inch tray here. Came out good, a lot of work. I'm gonna start pulling some wire soon. We got over 100 conductors, 250 and larger, that are getting bundled in here. And got a bunch tied in here. On the other side of this, the PDS cabinet over here, the AC stuff. It's all DC. And a bunch of communication cables to run, like lots of them. But coming along, I will post an update when we start running cable. Gotta deal with all our grounds too.